What's your mindset as the CFO about these upgrades that Honeywell would have recommended?
So through the chair, we've begun again conversations with the city about a kind of an approach where we're looking at both city spending and school spending on capital projects in trying to determine how to prioritize all of that within the city's debt limitations. So we're having conversations because really a lot of this is about capital spending and capital improvements. And so we have very little control other than when some of these funding sources become available to us. And that's why we try to maximize through ESSER how much we were going to spend on HVAC work. Other than that, it really just comes down to what we're currently receiving as $4 million a year for building improvements, which is not really going to make a dent in that backlog. So superintendent and new city manager, we're beginning conversations again about how to think about not only new school construction, but also maintaining existing buildings, both on the school side and city side.